Pain is awful. As the #1 cause of disability, it's known to diminish your quality of life. It's linked to depression, anxiety, fear, reducing sleep, lowering your ability to concentrate and remember, and weakening relationships with others. And while pain medications do work, they come with dangers of addiction and other side effects. So, how do you live pain-free without the risk? The answer lies in TENS therapy. TENS therapy is over-the-counter pain relief with no side effects, addiction, or health complications. And unlike traditional pain treatment, TENS therapy lets you customize the treatment while directly targeting your pain. TENS units are simple to use. Step 1. Place your TENS unit pads around the area of pain. Step 2. Turn your TENS unit on, adjusting your treatment intensity and settings. Step 3. The TENS unit sends electrical impulses to your skin, blocking pain, and releasing endorphins, the body's feel-good chemical. Step 4. Your pain is relieved, allowing you to live on your own terms. Ready to conquer your pain? Go to TENS7000.com and join the millions that have freed themselves from pain. TENS7000, drug-free pain relief.